This lesson will comprise a list of organic elements and how long it would take for them to break down in our environment naturally. Based on volume, paper is the largest element in American landfills. Normally, if buried so that the Earth's natural decomposer gets to eat it, it takes 2 to 3 weeks in a landfill to get completely decomposed. If we stop contaminating paper items by not collecting them with liquid items, we can easily save a lot of landfill space, while reducing the energy and virgin material requirements of making non-recycled paper. Food waste. By volume, food waste is the largest organic waste item in American landfills. By weight per black liner bag, liquids make up the greatest weight of items in landfills. But it is not realized as liquids mainly evaporate after the container they have been collected in erupts. But in the process cross-contamination occurs between the items contacted. The time taken for food waste decomposing depends on the type of food. Normally, an orange peel takes 5 months, but an apple core or a banana peel takes around 1 month to decompose. An important component of food recycling is having the right container to deal with it. Different sources have different information on the actual time various waste items take to decompose in landfills. Cigarette butts, 10 to 12 years monofilament fishing line, 600 years rubber boot sole, 50 to 80 years foamed plastic cups, 50 years leather shoes, 25 to 40 years milk cartons, 5 years plywood, 1 to 3 years painted board, 13 years cotton glove, 3 months cardboard, 2 months styrofoam, does not biodegrade nylon fabric, 30 to 40 years tin can, 50 years ropes, 3 to 14 months waxed milk carton, 3 months aluminum cans, 200 to 250 years train tickets, 2 weeks canvas products, 1 year batteries, 100 years lumber, 10 to 15 years sanitary pads, 500 to 800 years wool clothing, 1 to 5 years tinfoil, does not biodegrade. Disposable diapers. Just in the United States alone, every year more than 20 billion disposable diapers are thrown away. These disposable diapers take approximately 150 to 500 years to decompose in landfills, thus underscoring the efforts of programs offering diaper and absorbent hygiene product recycling. Aluminum cans. Every minute, every day, more than 2 million aluminum cans are recycled only in America. Aluminum cans take 80 to 200 years in landfills to get completely decomposed. Glass. Normally, glass is very easy to recycle mainly for the fact that glass is made of sand. Simply breaking down the glass and melting it, we can produce new glass. But the shocking fact is that if the glass is thrown away in landfills, it is unknown how many years to decompose. And according to some sources, it doesn't decompose at all. Paper waste. Based on volume, paper is the largest element in American landfills. Normally, it takes 2 to 6 weeks in a landfill to get completely decomposed. We target paper and cardboard as one of the principal wrap items. If we recycle paper items and use it as food for worm and decomposers of the earth, we can easily save a lot of landfill space, while reducing the energy and virgin material requirements of making new paper. No new paper manufacturer is going to go to the dump to get the recyclable paper, as the contaminated paper is cost prohibitive to reuse. Water in the waste cycle does its damaging work long before the landfill. Liquids contaminate, and change the constitution of almost all elements that it touches, and has no place in the collectible material waste cycle. Because of contaminated waste, items that you disposed of 10 years ago is still actively polluting today. The time is now to unlearn a bad habit. The mixing of liquids and other items in the black liner bag. This has been a community service announcement. On behalf of the Aftermeal.net, a subsidiary of OMTsystem.org.